Which are those words that may have really touched you? Perhaps what Peter and the others were doing was not done by them. It was the Spirit of God, Spirit of Jesus, who was doing all those things. And that is why they were courageous, they were bold, and they would tell them the truth. But they were not able to accept those whom it was told because their deeds were of darkness. That is why they did not want these deeds of darkness to be brought to the light. And that is why they wanted to do away with him and with them. This is what happens in our life too. We have experienced this. So what must we do then? We must stand firm in Jesus. Because Jesus has conquered the world. And if they do away with us at the body level, they cannot touch us internally because we are in Jesus. And that is why we have the strength and energy to continue to love. Not we loving, but Jesus loving through us. And those who do that are very courageous, are able to continue doing things for others with a smile. They may not smile just like that, but internally they know that these are the ones for whom I lay down my life. Not I, but Jesus in me is doing that. So there is a great joy and peace when we do such things. Let us ask the Lord for this grace, that we may be imbued with His Spirit who is dwelling in us, and that we may allow Him to be active in our thoughts, words and deeds. Let's hold our hands, place them in our lap, keep our eyes closed, keep our backs straight, and just experience at every breath God in us. He fills us with His life. And let us empty His and our life in Him as we breathe out in His name. And let Him set us free, because He does away with all sin. He purifies our thoughts, our feelings, our behavioral patterns, and He makes us conform to Him, who is the truth, and the truth sets us free. Lord, may this happen to us just now. It is happening. May we experience it and give ourselves fully to You, so that not we, but You will speak, act, and love through us.